Shocking Frontline footage released today shows Ukrainian SIGNUM FPV drones striking Russian infantry positions with devastating precision, offering a stark and unsettling glimpse into the evolving nature of modern warfare. The video, reportedly filmed near an active combat zone during an intense phase of fighting, captures the tense seconds before impact as drones close in on enemy troops under constant threat. According to Ukrainian military sources, the operation was carried out during a high-risk engagement where Russian infantry attempted to advance through exposed terrain under limited cover. Commanders say the SIGNUM FPV drones were launched at a critical moment to halt the movement before it could threaten nearby defensive lines and logistics routes. The footage opens with sweeping aerial views of a scarred and desolate battlefield where shell craters, damaged trenches, and shattered vegetation reveal the brutality of recent clashes. As the drones maneuver low and fast over the ground, the distinct engine noise and background radio chatter heighten the sense of urgency and danger. Ukrainian operators can be heard calmly guiding the drones toward their targets, demonstrating a level of discipline, focus, and coordination developed through months of training and real combat experience. Every adjustment appears deliberate, reflecting how precision and timing are vital in drone-based operations. Moments later, the drones dive toward clusters of Russian infantry, attempting to take cover, triggering powerful explosions that send debris, dust, and smoke into the air. The sudden strikes erupt without warning, creating chaos on the ground and breaking any organized movement. Military analysts say the footage clearly highlights how FPV drones have become one of Ukraine's most effective tools on the front line in recent months. Their speed, relatively low cost, and pinpoint accuracy allow smaller units to challenge larger and better equipped forces with surprising effectiveness. The SIGNUM drones, in particular, are believed to be part of a new generation of Ukrainian systems designed specifically for frontline conditions. Improved cameras, stronger control links, and better resistance to electronic interference allow operators to maintain control even in heavily contested environments. As the video continues, Russian infantry are seen attempting to reposition, retreat, or disperse to avoid further strikes. However, the drones relentlessly track moving targets, turning attempted withdrawals into moments of extreme vulnerability and confusion. Ukrainian officials claim the operation significantly reduced the enemy's combat capability in that sector, disrupting plans and slowing further advances. While exact casualty figures were not released, commanders described the impact of the drone strikes as operationally decisive. The release of the footage is also widely interpreted as a deliberate strategic communication move aimed at showcasing Ukraine's growing technological edge and its ability to adapt rapidly under battlefield pressure. By sharing these dramatic visuals, Kyiv seeks not only to boost domestic morale, but also to send a clear and intimidating message to opposing forces that no movement on the front line goes unnoticed. International observers and military analysts note that videos like this have become a defining feature of the conflict, spreading rapidly across social media platforms and global news outlets. Such footage shapes public perception far beyond the battlefield, illustrating how modern warfare is increasingly documented, analyzed, and consumed in near real time by audiences worldwide. For soldiers on both sides of the conflict, the widespread use of FPV drones has fundamentally transformed the psychological landscape of war. The constant buzzing threat from above creates relentless mental pressure, leaving little sense of safety even in trenches, forest cover, ruined buildings, or previously secure rear positions. Despite the dramatic and intense visuals shown in the footage, Ukrainian commanders emphasize that drone warfare is only one component of a much broader and more complex military strategy. Ground troops, artillery fire, electronic warfare units, reconnaissance teams, and intelligence coordination all remain critical elements in holding territory and countering enemy advances. The extended footage of Ukrainian SIGNUM FPV drones destroying Russian infantry stands as a powerful and sobering reminder of how technology is redefining modern combat. It highlights a battlefield reality where speed, innovation, adaptability, and control of the airspace above even the smallest area can decisively influence the outcome of the war.